In this time I will show you how to crochet spiral element in freeform technique. For work you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook and scissors. Begin the work. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Chain to bring up the yarn. 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue. Now I'm making double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here what we have so far. If you crochet loosely, you should make double crochet less than I did in the tutorial. I'm making double crochet stitches. Make double crochet twice into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous round. Make double crochet twice into the next stitch. Make double crochet twice into each stitch of the previous round. As you can see, this is the point where I began the work. You can continue making double crochet stitches or you can make treble crochet stitches. I continue making double crochet stitches. Make double crochet twice into each stitch. As you can see, I did 1 double crochet into the last stitch, then yarn over twice and make treble crochet. It is going to be the flat spiral. Make treble crochet one more time into the same stitch. Then treble crochet into the next stitch. And treble crochet twice into the next stitch. Then treble crochet into the next stitch. And treble crochet twice into the next stitch. Let's repeat one more time. Treble crochet, I'm gonna to make double treble crochet stitches. Make double treble into the next stitch. Two double treble crochet stitches into the next stitch. Here what we have so far. The spiral element is almost ready. For more beautiful look, I'm making reverse single crochet trim. Take the other color of yarn, make a chain. I don't cut off the blue color of yarn. Insert the hook into the previous stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Make reverse single crochet into each stitch of the previous round. Insert the hook into the previous stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through, and pull through 2 loops. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done a reverse single crochet trim till the stitch where we did double treble crochet stitch. Make a slip stitch into this stitch. The spiral element is ready. This is front side and it is back. The number of rounds and different tool stitches you determine by yourself. Today we have learned how to crochet simple spiral element in freeform technique. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharronknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We're pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week. Only at sharronknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharronknitting.com. Thanks for watching.